Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will discuss about classes and objects. Yeah, actually, you know already about class. This is your class, and this is your the static, and this is your main method. For your class, it is only one main method because your basic execution starts from here. Just forget about it. So here I just create a method. I name it as meth1. There is no return type here, just void. And then I simply type system.out method one. Yeah. Then copy this and create another method and name it as 2. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, yeah. And this is our main method. Yeah, you have previously seen this. If you need to call this one, you need to apply static. That then only you can call this like this way. Meth one. Yeah, that's all. And simply run it. Then return method one. Yeah, just print the statement inside the method one. What if I remove this? Yeah, it don't print because there is no instance to call this. Even though it's a method, it doesn't call this. So we need to create an object for this whole class. And yeah, I will show that example. What's our class name? Example class. This is our class name. So we need to create an instance of these classes. I just name it as object equal to new that class name followed by this parameter. Yeah, I will explain this. Exam class, this is your class name and followed by this is your temporary object or instance of your class, instance of your whole class. This will applicable inside this class and then followed by new exam class. This is your class name, new class name. Yeah, that's all. And then we call the object with this method. Yeah, you can notice this one. Whenever I type dot, you get all the methods related to that object. Method 1, method 2, to string anything. I just call method 1. Yeah. Then likewise we call method 2 also. Yeah. Yeah. If this is integer return type, then it might return yeah. So we just pass integer in here. That's all. This case I just pass the arguments. I simply pass 7. Check what if happen. Yeah, it prints 7 because system.out.println here it prints 7. You can directly print this here also. I just copy this one and paste inside this print class. Here print 7 and this 7. Yeah, that's all about objects.